Welcome to our beginner's guide on setting up scheduling software for project planning. If you're new to project management tools, this video will walk you through the basics, ensuring you understand how to get started efficiently. Scheduling software helps you organize tasks, assign responsibilities, and track progress, making project planning smoother and more transparent. We'll cover everything from choosing the right software to setting up your first project. Let's begin by understanding why scheduling software is essential for any project, big or small, and how it can transform your workflow. The first step in setting up scheduling software is selecting the right tool for your needs. There are many options available, such as Microsoft Project, Trello, Asana, and Monday.com. Consider factors like ease of use, integration with other tools, and pricing. For beginners, it's best to start with user-friendly platforms that offer templates and tutorials. Take time to explore trial versions or demos to see which interface feels most comfortable. Once you've made your choice, download or sign up for the software and prepare to set up your project. Once you've chosen your scheduling software, the next step is to create a new project. Most platforms have a clear button or menu option labeled New Project or Create Project. Click this to start. You'll be prompted to enter basic information such as the project name, description, and start/end dates. This initial setup helps define the scope and timeline. Make sure to use descriptive names and provide a brief overview so team members understand the project's purpose. Setting clear dates is crucial for tracking progress and deadlines. With your project created, it's time to break it down into tasks. Scheduling software allows you to add individual tasks or milestones. Start by listing all major activities required to complete the project. For each task, specify a name, description, and due date. You can also assign tasks to team members if your software supports collaboration. Organizing tasks helps clarify responsibilities and ensures nothing is overlooked. Use categories or tags to group similar tasks, making it easier to manage and track progress. Assigning tasks to team members is a key feature of scheduling software. This step ensures everyone knows their role and what's expected. Select each task and use the software's assignment function to link it to a specific person. If your team is small, you might assign multiple tasks to one individual. For larger teams, distribute tasks evenly to balance workloads. Clear assignments prevent confusion and foster accountability. Encourage team members to check their assigned tasks regularly and update their progress. Deadlines are crucial for keeping your project on track. In your scheduling software, set realistic due dates for each task. Consider dependencies. Some tasks can't start until others are finished. Use the calendar or timeline features to visualize deadlines and ensure they align with your overall project schedule. Adjust dates as needed to accommodate changes or delays. Regularly review deadlines to stay proactive and avoid last-minute rushes. Clear deadlines help motivate the team and drive progress. Milestones mark important points in your project, such as completion of major phases or delivery dates. Most scheduling software allows you to add milestones alongside tasks. Identify key moments that represent progress, like finishing a design draft or launching a product. Enter these milestones into your project plan, setting dates and descriptions. Milestones help track achievements and motivate the team. They also provide checkpoints for reviewing progress and adjusting plans if necessary. To keep your project organized, use features like task grouping, tags, or categories. Scheduling software often lets you sort tasks by priority, phase, or department. Grouping tasks makes it easier to manage complex projects and ensures nothing is missed. Use color coding or labels to highlight urgent tasks or those requiring special attention. Regularly review your task list and reorganize as needed to reflect changes in project scope or priorities. Dependencies show how tasks relate to each other. Some tasks can only begin after others are completed. Scheduling software allows you to link tasks, creating a logical sequence. For example, you can set task B to start only after task A finishes. This prevents scheduling conflicts and ensures a smooth workflow. Review your project plan to identify dependencies and set them up in the software. Adjust dependencies as the project evolves to maintain accuracy. Many scheduling tools offer templates for common project types. Templates save time and provide a structured starting point. Browse available templates in your software and select one that matches your project. Customize the template by adding or removing tasks, milestones, and deadlines. Templates are especially useful for recurring projects or beginners who need guidance. They help ensure you don't miss important steps and make setup faster. Collaboration is key in project planning. Use your scheduling software's invite feature to add team members. Enter their email addresses or usernames and send invitations. Once they join, assign tasks and share project details. Encourage everyone to explore the software and familiarize themselves with its features. Effective collaboration ensures tasks are completed on time and communication flows smoothly. Permissions control who can view or edit your project. Scheduling software lets you set roles such as admin, editor, or viewer. Assign appropriate permissions based on each team member's responsibilities. Admins can manage the project, editors can update tasks, and viewers can monitor progress. Setting permissions protects sensitive information and prevents accidental changes. Review permissions regularly as your team grows or project needs change. Scheduling software offers various views, such as lists, calendars, or Gantt charts. Choose the view that best suits your project and team preferences. List views are great for detailed task management, while calendar views help visualize deadlines. Gantt charts show task timelines and dependencies. Customize views by filtering tasks, changing colors, or adjusting layouts. Switching between views helps you monitor progress from different perspectives. Notifications keep your team informed about task updates, deadlines, and changes. Scheduling software lets you customize notification settings. Choose how and when you receive alerts via email, app, or desktop. Set reminders for upcoming deadlines or overdue tasks. Encourage team members to enable notifications to stay updated. Regular alerts help prevent missed deadlines and keep everyone engaged. Progress tracking is vital for successful project management. Use your scheduling software as progress indicators, such as completion percentages or status labels. Update tasks as they move from not started to in progresses and completed. Review progress regularly to identify bottlenecks or delays. Share progress reports with your team to keep everyone informed and motivated. Tracking progress helps you stay on schedule and achieve project goals. Projects evolve, and tasks may need updates. Scheduling software allows you to edit task details, change deadlines, or reassign responsibilities. Encourage team members to update their tasks as progress is made or requirements change. Regular updates keep your project plan accurate and relevant. Use comments or notes to document changes and communicate reasons for adjustments. Resource management ensures your team has what it needs to succeed. Scheduling software may allow you to track resources like personnel, equipment, or budget. Assign resources to tasks and monitor their usage. Adjust allocations if workloads shift or new needs arise. Effective resource management prevents shortages and supports smooth project execution. Communication is essential for project success. Most scheduling software lets you add comments or notes to tasks. Use comments to clarify instructions, share updates, or ask questions. Encourage your team to communicate within the software to keep all information centralized. Comments help resolve issues quickly and maintain transparency. Supporting documents are often needed for tasks. Scheduling software allows you to attach files, such as reports, images, or spreadsheets, directly to tasks or projects. Upload relevant files to provide context and resources for your team. This keeps all project materials organized and accessible. Encourage team members to review attached files before starting tasks. Many scheduling platforms integrate with other tools, like email, calendars, or cloud storage. Explore integration options to streamline workflows and improve efficiency. Connect your scheduling software to tools your team already uses. This reduces manual data entry and keeps information synchronized. Integrations help automate reminders, share files, and update calendars automatically. Reports provide insights into project progress and performance. Scheduling software often includes reporting features. Set up regular reports to track completed tasks, upcoming deadlines, and resource usage. Customize reports to focus on key metrics. Share reports with stakeholders to keep everyone informed and support decision-making. Reports help identify issues early and guide project adjustments. A clear project timeline helps visualize progress and deadlines. Use your scheduling software's timeline or Gantt chart features to review the overall schedule. Check for overlapping tasks, bottlenecks, or gaps. Adjust the timeline as needed to reflect changes. Reviewing the timeline regularly ensures your project stays on track and helps identify areas for improvement. Delays are common in projects. Scheduling software helps you manage them by updating deadlines and reassigning tasks. When a delay occurs, adjust the affected tasks and notify team members. Use comments to explain reasons and outline new plans. Track the impact of delays on the overall timeline. Proactive delay management keeps your project moving forward. Projects often require changes to scope, tasks, or deadlines. Scheduling software makes it easy to update your plan, edit tasks, adjust dates, and add new milestones as needed. Communicate changes clearly to your team using comments or notifications. Regularly review your project plan to ensure it reflects current requirements. Change management keeps your project flexible and responsive. Once your project is finished, Archive it in your scheduling software. Archiving keeps your workspace organized and allows you to reference past projects for future planning. Most platforms offer an archive or close project feature. Store all relevant files and reports with the archived project. This helps build a history of completed work and supports learning from past experiences. Reviewing archived projects helps you learn and improve. Use your scheduling software to analyze completed tasks, timelines, and outcomes. Identify what worked well and areas for improvement. Share lessons learned with your team to enhance future projects. Continuous learning supports growth and increases project success rates. Some tasks repeat regularly, like weekly meetings or monthly reports. Scheduling software lets you set up recurring tasks. Specify the frequency and duration, and the software will automatically add these tasks to your project plan. Recurring tasks help maintain consistency and ensure important activities aren't forgotten. Many scheduling tools offer mobile apps for on-the-go access. Download the app and log into your project. Mobile apps let you update tasks, check deadlines, and communicate with your team from anywhere. Encourage your team to use the app for quick updates and notifications. Mobile access keeps your project moving even when you're away from your desk. Dashboards provide an overview of your project's status. Scheduling software often includes customizable dashboards. Add widgets or charts to display key metrics, such as task completion, deadlines, or resource usage. Dashboards help you monitor progress at a glance and identify issues quickly. Customize your dashboard to focus on what matters most to your team. Goals give your project direction and purpose. Use your scheduling software to set clear goals, such as completing a phase by a certain date or achieving a specific outcome. Add goals to your project plan and share them with your team. Track progress toward goals and celebrate achievements. Clear goals motivate your team and guide decision-making. Risk management helps you anticipate and address potential issues. Scheduling software may allow you to add risk logs or notes, identify possible risks, such as delays or resource shortages, and document them. Assign risk owners and set mitigation plans. Review risks regularly and update as needed. Proactive risk management supports project success. Budget tracking ensures your project stays within financial limits. Some scheduling software includes budget features. Enter your project budget and track expenses as tasks are completed. Monitor spending and adjust allocations if needed. Share budget reports with stakeholders to maintain transparency. Effective budget tracking prevents overspending and supports financial health. Feedback helps improve project outcomes. Scheduling software may include feedback or survey features. Set up regular feedback sessions or surveys to gather input from your team. Use feedback to identify issues, improve processes, and boost morale. Encourage honest and constructive feedback to support continuous improvement. Automation saves time and reduces manual work. Scheduling software may offer automation features, such as recurring tasks, reminders, or workflow triggers. Set up automation to handle routine activities, like sending notifications or updating statuses. Automation keeps your project running smoothly and frees up time for more important tasks. Sometimes, you need to share your project with external stakeholders, such as clients or partners. Scheduling software allows you to set permissions for external users, grant access to specific parts of the project, such as reports or timelines, protect sensitive information by limiting access. External permissions support collaboration while maintaining security. Effective communication is vital for project success. Scheduling software may integrate with chat or email tools. Set up communication channels within the software to keep discussions organized. Use group chats, direct messages, or email notifications to share updates and resolve issues. Centralized communication supports teamwork and transparency. User profiles help personalize your scheduling software experience. Encourage team members to set up their profiles with names, roles, and contact information. Profiles make it easier to assign tasks and communicate. Some platforms allow profile pictures or bios, adding a personal touch. User profiles support collaboration and build team identity. Protecting sensitive data is crucial. Scheduling software lets you restrict access to confidential information, such as budgets or client details. Set permissions to limit who can view or edit sensitive data. Review permissions regularly to ensure security. Data protection supports trust and compliance. Project roles clarify responsibilities and support organization. Scheduling software allows you to define roles such as project manager, team member, or stakeholder. Assign roles based on skills and responsibilities. Roles help streamline task assignments and communication. Clear roles support accountability and project success. Dividing your project into phases helps manage complexity. Scheduling software lets you add phases. such as planning, execution, and review. Assign tasks and milestones to each phase. Review progress at the end of each phase and adjust plans as needed. Project phases support structured planning and smooth transitions. Statuses show the current state of tasks and projects. Scheduling software lets you customize statuses, such as not started, in progress, or completed. Update statuses as tasks move forward. Statuses help monitor progress and identify issues quickly. Custom statuses support detailed tracking and reporting. Objectives define what your project aims to achieve. Use your scheduling software to add clear objectives, such as delivering a product or improving a process. Share objectives with your team and align tasks to support them. Review objectives regularly to ensure your project stays focused. Clear objectives drive motivation and guide decision-making. A communication plan ensures everyone stays informed. Scheduling software can help you set up regular meetings, updates, and feedback sessions. Define communication methods and frequency. Share the plan with your team and encourage participation. A strong communication plan supports teamwork and prevents misunderstandings. Project reviews help assess progress and outcomes. Scheduling software lets you schedule regular reviews and add review tasks. Invite team members to participate and share feedback. Use reviews to identify successes, challenges, and areas for improvement. Regular reviews support continuous learning and project success. Congratulations! You've learned how to set up scheduling software for project planning as a beginner. From choosing your tool to organizing tasks, assigning responsibilities, and tracking progress, you now have the foundation for successful project management. Remember to review your setup regularly, communicate with your team, and adapt as your project evolves. With these skills, you're ready to tackle any project with confidence and efficiency. Good luck!